These street dogs are living beings too. They feel hunger, experience pain, and need love, just like we do. They may be voiceless, but they are not without feelings. They deserve love, shelter, and a sense of belonging just as much as any of us.
I will build them a home, and from today on, they will never have to face hunger, cold nights, or loneliness by themselves again.
They're gonna love it out here. Just wait and see. All right, let's get this ground ready.
Just wait a little longer, little ones. I'll be coming back for all of you very soon. You won't have to endure hunger, cold, and loneliness much longer.
Come on, puppies. You are almost home.
They may not have a voice, but they still deserve to be loved. A little kindness can change an entire life. Today, they found a home. Tomorrow, many others are still waiting.